Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo i6 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, power tilting steering column, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,